Hello, my dear students in grade 11. Welcome to our new lesson. We will start Unit 9, Lesson 1 and 2. Please prepare yourself. Open your student's book page 68 and 69 and your classwork note page 22. Okay, our unit is about uses of camera. Let's start our lesson with a question. Why do you think people like to use camera? Okay, to keep photos, to record videos, and to keep happy memories. Very good. Okay. Now we will start the first word in our lesson. We have two different pictures. I think it will be easy for you to find the latest or the newest one. Okay. Yes, it's the left one that we can use nowadays. Okay. So the digital camera is the camera that we can use nowadays or at the present time. But the right one was used in the past. Okay, here we have an example for more explanation. Most people nowadays use their mobile phones to take pictures or videos and to record events.
Nowadays.
So here we have the definition at the present time in contrast with the past. I think it's easy and it's an old word nowadays. Don't forget it's a noun. Okay, in this picture we have a camera user or a camera consumer. So she likes to take pictures with the latest camera. Okay, as a consumer for camera, we have an example to explain more. Agriculture companies have failed to convince consumers that GM or genetically modified foods are safe.
Consumer.
I think it's easy for you now. The person purchasing goods and service for personal use. Okay, here we have a picture of a camera. If I ask you to tell me it's a cheap one or an expensive one, yes, it's the most expensive camera. Or it's a high-end camera. Here it's used as an adjective. Don't forget the part of a speech. High-end camera. The company's high-end fashion features items like $500 shirts.
High-end.
It's easy now. It means denoting the most expensive of a range of products. In this picture, you can find some actors who act a scene from the past or historical period in a play. So, what do we call it? We called it period drama. It will be clear with the example here. A professional video camera is used to record everything from live sport to period drama.
Period drama.
The definition, as usual, a play belonging to or characteristic of a past historical time. In this picture, we have a reporter who tries to gather news. Okay, so we have E and G as abbreviation. to a word, we use the first letter from each word. Okay, it will be clear. The example, electronic news gathering, ENG, is when reporters and editors make use of electronic video and audio technologies in order to gather and present news.
Electronic news gathering.
Okay. Here we have a photographer who carries a camera on his shoulder, so we called it what? Stabilizing. Stabilizing camera. Don't forget it's what? It's a noun. Very good. Okay. Some video cameras have a shoulder stabilizing device on the shoulder.
Stabilizing.
It means causing to become stable. I think it's clear for you now. Stabilizing. Here we have a digital camera, so we can do a lot of things with digital camera because of its capability. Yes, its ability or its power. We have an for more explanation. The English and Math final exams were beyond the capability of the students of grade 12. So the meaning,
Capability.
it's the power or ability. In studios, we need to use camera as here in the picture. To use camera on pedestal as a base or support in the picture, it can move easily. Okay, so pedestal, it's what? It's a noun, so it's stable here. We have example. Flowers were arranged beautifully and put on a pedestal beside the window.
Pedestal.
Means the base or support on which a statue or a column is mounted. So we have another type of camera here. It's a hydraulic camera. Okay, hydraulic here is an adjective. Hydraulic. Also, we have the same word in Arabic, hydraulic. Okay, the example here is clear for you. The plane's hydraulic systems can withstand incredibly high temperatures. It will be clear more.
Hydraulic.
Denoting relating to or operated by a liquid moving in a confined space under pressure. Here we have a cartoon and we called it what? Motion picture. Yes, it's a noun. Motion picture used for cartoon as the picture here or to make the picture moving. Motion picture. Here we have the example. Television and motion picture camera operators produce images that tell a story, inform, or record an event. At the end of the match them with the pictures. Listen again.
Capability.
Consumer.
Electronic news gathering.
High-end.
Hydraulic.
Motion picture.
Nowadays. Pedestal.
Period drama. Stabilizing.
Okay, here we have your classwork note. Don't forget to write the Arabic meaning. And also remember, we have different parts of speech. We have explained them already. Okay, now check your understanding. You have a minute from now. Fill in the spaces with words from the list. You can complete the sentences here with one of these words. Please read them and try to get the answer. Time's up. Okay, I think you have answered all the sentences now. So, number one, the statue which is on the gray pedestal stands for William Shakespeare. Okay, number two, he has great capability as a writer. Okay, number three, yes, it's nowadays many children prefer watching TV to reading. Number four, video cameras are used nowadays for recording everything from live sport to, yes, it's period drama. Okay, please open your book and look at the first page, page 68. You have a question. You will answer the question, but first, are the cameras being used for these days? We will answer this question after the pictures with the names of cameras here. You have a minute. Please try to concentrate. It's easy. Match the 5 pictures with names of the cameras. Time's up. So we will your answer, or we will check your answers. Here we have the 5 pictures. A, television film. B, yes, it's webcam. Security camera, it's in the airport. And here we have D, surgical camera. And the last